Welcome to the PASync Excel Compare Static Quick View. The following video is a short demonstration of the steps involved and also shows the ease of use when processing. The Excel Compare Static application compares two worksheets by cell location. The application provides an identification of formula differences, value changes, and equivalent cells. Also provided is the facility to identify row insertions or deletions and column insertions or deletions. Once you've opened the Excel Compare Static application, all processing is performed using the Add-ins tab and menu Excel Sheet Comparison Processing Stat. Select option Load Datasets from External Files. The Dataset Load Wizard is used to load the datasets into the Compare 1 and Compare 2 worksheets. Select the Next button. Select the Open External File button and choose the first file you wish to load from the browser window. Select a sheet name, in our example C1. Select OK to continue. A message will be displayed indicating the file has been loaded. Select OK to continue. Select Next to load the second dataset. Select the Open External File button to choose the second file you wish to load from the browser window. Select a sheet name, in our example C2. Select OK to continue. A message will be displayed indicating the file has been loaded. Select OK to continue and select the Next button. Another message will be displayed indicating the Compare 1 worksheet has loaded the C1 dataset and the Compare 2 worksheet has loaded the C2 dataset, and select the Finish button. You can now see that the datasets have been loaded and the application is ready to process the results. From the menu, select Excel Sheet Comparison Processing Stat and Excel Compare Processing Stat. All reporting options are selected. Select the Process Reports button. On processing completion, the application will display a message of confirmation. Select OK to continue. A message will be displayed to confirm the status for each report processed. Select OK to continue and select the Cancel button. The output is placed into the Results worksheets. The result worksheets show in the Compare 1 worksheet the pink highlights data cell inconsistencies where the same identified cells in each worksheet have a value and their value entries are not the same. This will also identify value to blank entries. The yellow highlights where the same identified cells in each worksheet have a formula and their entries are not the same. This will also identify formula to blank entries. And purple represents the data cell inconsistencies where the same identified cells in each worksheet have a value in one worksheet and a formula entry in the other worksheet. The Compare Summary worksheet provides an overview of all processing of cells in both the Compare 1 and Compare 2 worksheets. The summary displays the cell value and its corresponding cell contents when there is a formula present. Again, the yellow highlights formula changes and pink highlights value changes. Note the column positions are identified for both the Compare 1 and Compare 2 worksheets. This is for the ease of locating the source data in each corresponding worksheet. The Compare 1 Formula Changes and Compare 2 Formula Changes worksheets provide a visual representation of changes in formula references where cell data is highlighted by font colour. This shows the respective position on each worksheet for the location of each formula. The Compare 1 Equivalent Cells and Compare 2 Equivalent Cells worksheets identify sequences of data with an equivalent formula, constant or value in an adjacent cell. The formulas are highlighted in purple with values highlighted in red. The Equivalent Cells options examines vertical, horizontal and diagonal cell entries for any inconsistencies. To explain the sheet movement worksheet, we demonstrate using the following example. We insert between column C, January, and column D, February, a new column called December brought forward. We can also introduce a new row between Bravo and Charlie, rows 4 and 5. This cell is identified as on cost. It can be seen the value of 250 has been introduced for the new column. We reprocess the report. Select OK to continue and select OK to continue. Select the Cancel button. Select the Sheet Movements worksheet. The report highlights the identification of row or column insertions or deletions. It can be seen that in row 5, one row has been inserted, or alternatively, there is a row deletion from the C2 worksheet. Also present for the Compare 1 worksheet, one column inserted for column D, or alternatively, in the Compare 2 worksheet, one column deleted for column D. Once the Excel Compare static application has been finalised, to save the results to an external file, select Export Data Backup. This saves the file into the current application directory with date and time stamp and number of worksheets. Select OK to continue. In summary, the purpose is to compare worksheets by cell, formula changes identified, value changes, equivalent cells, row insertions and deletions, column insertions and deletions. It is a straightforward process to load data sets, the ease of processing by utilising a custom menu and entry form, and processing detailed reports. Possible scenarios include worksheet to worksheet, results differences, data cleanse, and audit. Thanks for watching. A comprehensive manual, test scripts and trial programs are available from our website. This video is proudly presented to you by the team at passinc.com.